Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the one and only Flavor Station. Right, first thing, self-raising flour, 100 grams. You see how we're moving? 100 grams. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time, please subscribe. Same thing again. Yeah, caster sugar, 100 grams. Butter, 100 grams. You can make the sponge fingers, but that's long. Add your butter to your sugar. Give a mixer. This is called creaming together. We're going to cream them together, then add your flour. Don't worry about sieving it. It's a long thing. Bang it straight in. See it there? Just give it a mixer. We're making cake mix. We're smashing it. 2 eggs, boom, straight in. Little bit of shell, we're gonna pick that out, no worries, that's gone. Next thing I run with this, just something. Like, subscribe, hit the ding dong. You don't want to miss this. Honestly, you want these notifications. Mixer. It's Sunday. We do it. We do this thing, blood. Happy Sunday. Make this dessert. See the cake mix there? Lick your spoon. Grease-proof a tray. Just make sure it's nice and neat. And then you're just going to pour it in, spread it in, but thin. Make sure it's thin. We're making sponge fingers. Well, sponge squares, really. But you can buy these, but this is Flavor Station, blood. We're going to make them. Why not? It's lockdown. We've got nothing better to do. We're sitting around. We're gaming. We're just sitting, watching Netflix. We're going to make a tiramisu using Starbucks and Baileys too. Grab a next bowl, double cream. We're going to make the filling. Baileys, orange liqueur Baileys. Ooh, yeah, boy. Couple tablespoons, icing sugar. About that much. Look and learn. Cookbook coming soon. You don't know, to an Amazon store near you. Bit of orange zest. Give it that zing. You don't know the steez. Follow on Insta. We're smashing it. Now whisk this up till it's thick. Yeah, your whipping cream. Then we're going to add some cheese. It's meant to be mascarpone, but lockdown, blood. Lidl never had any. They normally do, but I don't know. Everyone must be making tiramisu. What we're going to do, we're going to mix that. Wait down, you dirty bomb, boy. We're going to mix that till it's thick-ish. Then bang 1 tablespoon of that in there, and then whip till it's creamy and set, and you can turn it upside down and it looks like cheesecake. See it there? Yeah, man, that's what you need. It's got that Baileys. Now we're going to put it in a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, it's minor. You can just use a spoon. You can spread it on if you want. We're going to put it in. Going to use a silicone spoon. Grab the end. Oh, for God's sake, what the... Try again. Yeah, you don't know. The end of the spoon fell off, blood. That's jokes. Now what you want to do is just tie that off. I've got a little nozzle in there, a little star nozzle, but you ain't got to be bougie like that. You can just do it with spoons, man. Just tie up your piping bag, put it in the fridge. It's going to set a little bit. It's going to pipe out nice and smooth. Have that lovely shine on it. Have that edge. Yes, man. Look. Nice. Now, next thing. This is out. Flavor chaser ting. Coming soon. Sooner than you think. Just check your sponge. Check it's cooked. Let it cool. Yeah, now it's cool. We're going to get it out. About an hour later, it's been in the garage. Nice and firm, nice and cool. Got that sponge finger vibe. Make sure you get all your greaseproof paper off the underside, you see me? Yeah, man. There's a bit there. Peel that off, blood. Peel it off. It's very appealing, you know. Yeah, this is a bougie dessert. See? Like a sponge finger, blood. Can we get a little focus? Now we're gonna make this like a mille feuille, which is French for many layers. And we're gonna make it into a tiramisu. Look at that. Look at the consistency. Look at the evenness. Oi, follow me and you'll know what to do. Look. It's like dinner party vibes, blood. It's a posh dessert, but it ain't taking long to make. We're just gonna now drop right down again, you dirty pig. The sugar and the something squeeze up. Now, you want to get that, get your piping bag, get your thingy now. This Starbucks double shot intenso. This is what we're going to use to soak our sponge in. This is going to give it that coffee vibe. Starbucks, baby. Not a sponsored post, but one day Starbucks, I'm telling ya, bloody. Now you just want to soak your sponge in there, drip off any excess, let that sit and go on with itself. Now, we're going to plate up, mate. Bit of cream on there, see it? Bit of filling. I've got my little coffee shaker, some cocoa powder. Just gonna make this look like a little prep dessert, a little, you know, 3-star hotel thing. 1 rosette at least. Now we're just gonna pipe that on. See it there? Then your next sponge with your coffee and your loveliness, and your cream's got your Baileys in it. Look on my trim, you know. My trim dead off. Now, I've just got some little orange rind and I'm just gonna cocoa powder that. Come behind with some icing sugar, extra sweetness, no long ting, very 70s, but we move. Yeah, man. And there you have it. Baileys, chocolate, orange, truffle, Starbucks, tiramisu, dessert. Thanks for watching. It was meant to be focaccia bread, but I lost the footage. Well, I haven't lost it, but you know. Thanks for watching. Love you lot. Oi, don't forget, watch a video on the left, click the middle, subscribe, click the right, watch a playlist. We're smashing it. Follow on Insta. Bye.